We go now to a KION exclusive. A Salinas teacher speaking out about the seriousness of the virus after her father died from COVID-19. KION's Alicia Machado shares her warning to the community after seeing the impacts the virus can have firsthand.
Patricia Saldana's family is devastated after losing her father to COVID-19. She's urging the community to take this virus seriously to protect vulnerable residents like her father, who was almost 75 years old when he lost his battle with COVID-19.
I still not believe it that he's not with us.
It's the words no family wants to hear. Their loved one has died from COVID-19. Patricia Saldana and her family got the news that her father, Ramon Quintero, passed away on July 18th. He contracted the virus just a few weeks earlier. Even when Quintero was in the hospital, they had faith he would pull through, but things took a turn for the worse.
Even he thought that he would be discharged because he didn't feel that bad, but like I told you, he got worse and worse.
Saldana tells me her father ended up on a ventilator and passed shortly after.
The worst thing is that when this happened, you cannot see them. You can't even touch them. You can't even support him the way you want because that restriction that they have in the hospital. And we totally understand that, but it was a very hard situation for the whole family.
The family will remember him as a strong, positive person and a hard worker. He was a bus driver for an agriculture company, taking workers out to the fields. Now, Saldana also worries for them as the pandemic continues. They don't know exactly where he contracted the virus.
You're close to other people and you never know. You need to take precautions.
More than 2,000 ag workers in Monterey County have contracted the virus since the pandemic began, and more than 760 new cases within just the past month. United Farm Workers Regional Director tells me people's worries are going down, even though the pandemic is still very much here.
Now we have people who have been positive and they recuperated.
But he says it's still important to take the proper precautions.
When somebody start feeling like sick, to report and go do the test right away.
Saldana is encouraging everyone to do their part to help minimize the spread of the virus and follow the guidelines to in turn protect your parents, grandparents, and the community as a whole. Reporting in Salinas, Alicia Machado, KION News Channel 546.